The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
Yeah, I try to keep my 5 minutes. Watch the Ella there. Put my 5 minutes in that bag. Yo, Ella. Yeah. Put down my money, man. Put down my money, man. How are you, man? You're too thief, big man. If you let me now watch you a long time, you're too blasted thief, man. Come boy, do know. Yeah, I'm boy, you can't face it. You put down money, sir. You put down money, you're a thief, you're a big man.
Okay, so it's like the person put the money one place and then at another place, and I watch the man to see what the man is going to do. You see, that it look like to me. You know? Boy, you can't put your money in anywhere when you're out there in public places, because there are a lot of dishonest persons out there. You see me I say? And I think that is common knowledge. You see? Alright, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Now, I just presented to you a video that is out on social media, and according to some things that have been said some places on social media about that video, it is said that the video shows a man who got caught trying to steal a person's money. You see? Yeah, you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to move on to other things that are considered to be Jamaica related, you see? Yeah, like curfew and so on, you see? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that I call Warning from the Police. Here's the video. Take a look and observe.
When children go to school, and if they talk when teachers talking, they will not learn. Listen to the teacher now. Curfew means you have to stay indoors. Alright? Or otherwise, turn your yard. If you want to see your neighbor, call them on Zoom. So go inside now, the police are come. Warning. Can't say me never need a warning.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, during curfew hours, if you're not a person who got the authority to move about during curfew hours, stay home. Stay home. You know? Yeah. Some Jamaicans would say Tanaya yard. You see? Alright, you can let me know what to think about that video. You see? Now when it comes on to the Tanaya yard thing, as all some Jamaicans might call it, you see? I have another video I'm going to present to you, and according to some things that have been said in this video, I got the understanding that this video shows what happened when persons who were in their yard had been approached by police within the country of Jamaica during curfew hours. Here's the video. Take a look and observe.
You're arresting us! I look for crime people then.
And it's curfew hours.
But they did not say to stay quiet.
We're inside. We are inside.
Trust that we're in our yard.
Leave them yard, me there. Me there, me yard. We yard.
We are going to shoot we up.
Can't shoot we. Call the bad.
People. I look for the gunman, them like to arrest people. But she not going to come. I want to shoot the people. One man I look for. Look at the crime rate in the country.
Okay, man. Oh no,
Contribute to what?
Turn off the music.
Contribute to what?
I want to see when we know we are that few.
You don't know who is who, but do not behave.
You arrest people.
You're arresting us. I look for crime people then.
And it's curfew hours.
Well on. Is it stay in your house or stay in your yard? Which one it is? Eh? This confused me, man. Oh well, you know what? You can let me know what you think about that video, you know? Yeah, you can let me know what you think about that video. Alright, now, I saw a post on social media from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. According to the post, I got the understanding that the police within the country of Jamaica thank residents within downtown Kingston for obeying the rules and the laws when it comes on to curfew hours within downtown Kingston, Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, the post had been put out there on the 27th of March, the year 2021. You see? And I also saw pictures and videos from other places that shows what it looks like when it comes on to curfew hours within the country of Jamaica on the 27th of March, the year 2021. You see me? For example, I have a video I'm going to present to you, and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows what it looks like somewhere within the parish of St. James, that is within the country of Jamaica, on the 27th of March, the year 2021, during curfew hours. Here's the video. Take a look and observe. Wow. Alright, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in that video. Alright? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she sent warnings to persons who are said to be Jamaicans. You see me? Yeah, that's the understanding that I got from some of the things that this female said. You see me? And in my point of view, I think that some of the things that she said are wise words. Now I want you to take a look at this video and listen to some of the things that she said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that she said. Take a listen and observe.
You want if your name go our parish councillor reach police station, there's a block on your name, you can't keep nothing. You have to put your party in somebody else's name to keep a party. Eh? You don't have the anger, be wise. And stop going like on a blasted idiot. The bigger heads have the anger. For when you go embassy, you can't even go, not even embassy, if you go airport, you can't left from you go Cayman. And you don't even have you can't go Cayman, and you don't thank you, sweetie, and you don't even need a blasted passport. You don't even need a visa, I mean. You want to go buy a ticket for go a Curfew and can't go. You want only can travel in a Jamaica, you an idiot. You not have the anger, stop going like you an idiot. We tired of you. I want to make this blasted curfew thing make people life.
Have you ever heard this thing where them say one person have the handle and the other person have the blade? Yeah, it's a metaphor. If you understand that metaphor, it can help you in life. You see? Alright, you can let me know what you think about that video also. Alright, and I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a musician who goes by the name of Da Vinci. And according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that Da Vinci sing for the female who goes by the name of Canice Jackson, who had been murdered sometime within the month of March, the year 2021. Some places on social media, it is said that Da Vinci sing for Canice Jackson. You see? It's really sad, you know, like it's really sad, viewers and subscribers, you know, and I just want to say condolences to the friends and the families and the loved ones of Canice Jackson, and big up to Da Vinci, alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Oh, Jaja, yeah. When the mother change them wheels, why they make another mother cry to years? Could I take on the weight of the world? God know they make me heart a race. Them not them made to with music, but no know the pain will fail. Get to youth and feel it, get to feel real. Lots of friends miss it, die by the steel. She was only 20, so why them kill love kindness? No matter God with another one. They make a mother cry for your daughter. Say, please, mama, hold
gun violence thing in Jamaica really and truly need to be looked into. It really need to be looked into, yo. Like, for real, yo. Powerful words from Ja Vinci. Big him up, yes. I say, here's where I will leave it, you viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about the videos I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Skilla, wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall